I don't know about you, but I simply love quick and easy one-pan recipes. So I decided to make up a delicious Iranian dish called Sosis Bandari. Sosis meaning sausage in Farsi, and the Bandari part refers to the dish's origins in Iran's southern port cities bordering the Persian Gulf. So Sosis Bandari is Iranian sausage and onions, in case you're wondering. It's amazingly delicious and you're going to love it. This beloved street food is a hot and spicy sausage sandwich. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's cook with Rozina. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to us. Iranian sausage and onions, or Sosis Bandari, is a great easy dish and you will only need a few ingredients. I will leave ingredients in description box for you guys as well. So let's get cooking. All we need are 500 gram beef or vegan sausage, usually beef franks or beef hot dog. These sausages are typically made with beef. 4 medium white or yellow onions, spices like turmeric, salt, red chili, and black pepper. It's a spicy sausage sandwich, but you can adjust the level of spices to your personal liking. 4 tablespoons tomato paste and also some olive oil. For the sandwich, we'll need chopped lettuce, finely chopped fresh coriander or parsley, pickled cucumbers, bread of choice to serve like baguette or flatbread, and mayonnaise sauce. Okay, let's get cooking. Peel 4 medium-sized onions and slice them. Perfect. To cut sausages for Sosis Bandari, you will want to slice them into rounds about 5 millimeters. This will ensure they cook evenly and absorb the flavors of the other ingredients well. Heat 4 tablespoons olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and you go ahead and break that up. And cook slowly, stirring occasionally until nicely brown and caramelized. It will take about 10-15 minutes. Then transfer them to a plate and set them aside and start doing next step. Next, add sliced sausages to the same pan and fry them over medium-high heat on both sides until nicely brown, and then remove them from the pan and set aside. Reduce heat to medium, add 4 tablespoons tomato paste, turmeric, salt, red chili powder, and black pepper to the pan, stirring constantly for about a minute until fragrant. Now pour in half a cup water and stir well to combine and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Perfect. And finally, return the caramelized onions and browned sausages to the pan with the tomato sauce. Gently stir to combine and heat for 2-3 minutes. Sosis Bandari is a spicy sausage sandwich, but you can taste and adjust the level of spiciness to your preference. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of my sausage and onion sandwich, or as we say in Farsi, Sosis Bandari. This is Rozina here. For making sandwich, cut the baguette bread in half lengthwise and then spread mayonnaise on the bread and pile the hot Sosis Bandari generously on the bread. Layer on some chopped fresh parsley or coriander and add a layer of pickled cucumber or khiyashur for a delightful crunchy texture. Top it all off with a layer of shredded lettuce for a refreshing crunch and finish with the top half of the baguette and it's ready to go. Sosis Bandari is a hearty sandwich inspired by the classic Iranian street food. This dish is very popular with students because it's very inexpensive and you can serve for brunch, lunch, or dinner. It combines sausages, onion, and tomato paste. It's an easy and flavorful meal that takes only 30 minutes to make on the stove top. This dish will probably feed, I don't know, 2-3 people. Hope you enjoyed that, and I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's absolutely delicious and sensational. The sausage, the onions are done to perfection, and that seasoning, simply a must make. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. God bless and lots of love.